right. KNES 415 Summer 2024. It's going to be a short video with your exam 1 and 2 tomorrow, Friday, July 12th. And I just wanted to give you guys some tips and some suggestions. And so watch to the end. Heavy on definitions, heavy on understanding, heavy on literally going through the PDF that I gave you as a supplement to the lectures. So the lectures are where I explain things, and the PDF is meant as a tool for you guys to not have to write down everything. So like a lot of it is written, and the concept is you add to it, right? You print it out or you have it on your iPad or your laptop, and you kind of write in things that I say or examples that I give or context. Very heavy on the PDF. Literally, when I write the questions, I'm going through the topics. We talked about this, we talked about that. I gave examples of this, I gave examples of that. Okay. Because you guys are having to take 2 exams in one day, the way I'm setting it up and I'm trying to help you is we're going to take the first test from 8 to 9. You shouldn't need more than an hour because, again, it's mostly definitions. Then we're going to take a 15-minute break, and then we're going to take the next test from 9:15 to 10:15, or I think it's somewhere in there. Maybe it was 9:30 to 10:30. I am going to allow, this is the important part for those of you that watch, I am going to let you come to class with one piece of paper, one side blank for scratch work, and the other side I will let you come in with handwritten notes or things that you think you need help with, equations. Or so I'm going to give you one page. You have to bring it to me, please, so that I can take a look at it and approve it. But one page, handwritten, one side. You can come in with whatever you want, and the other side blank that you'll use for scratch. And then after the test, you turn it in. So technically it'll be 2 pages, one for each test. Okay, so like exam 1, whatever kind of notes prep you want to put, blank for scratch. Exam 2, whatever kind of notes you want to put, blank for scratch. Does that make sense? So that is my way of trying to help you guys because it's summer, it's condensed, it's a lot of stuff, and because of the 4th of July break, we weren't able to have exam 1. So this is my way of trying to help out a little bit, okay? So definitions, concepts, the PDFs are very important. My lectures complement those PDFs to try to explain the concepts. Remember, a lot of this stuff you've probably heard before, but I'm applying it to kinesiology. That's the key. Is biomechanics is taking some mechanical principles that are part of physics, just the mechanics part, and then giving it purpose to human body physics, things that we're going to see and apply in allied health and in fitness and in personal training and in athletic training and all the different things you guys are going to do for a living, okay? So if you have any questions, let me know. But the key things to study are the PDFs and my lectures that literally talk about the PDFs, the materials that I give you, okay? 2 sheets of paper. If you don't, no problem. It's on you. But I'm allowing 2 sheets of paper, exam 1, exam 2, one side, handwritten notes, definitions, things you want to make sure you don't forget. Second side, blank. Scratch work during the test. Name on it, all that good stuff, and then you turn it in to me. When you turn in, I'll give you your grades on the spot. If you bring your, like, say, you're done with exam 1 and you submit all your answers, you come bring me your exam 1 sheet. I'll look up your grade and I'll write it down, or I'll tell you in privacy what you made on your first grade, so you'll know. If you don't want to know, you don't have to know, but you'll know. And then the same thing for the second test. You bring me your page if you want to know. I'll look it up and tell you. All of your grades will be available once the test closes. But in case you want to know right away, we can make that happen. All right, guys. I hope all is well, and we'll see you tomorrow. Go Cajuns.